Welcome to Adventure 3 for the Adventures in Python book. This adventure introduces GUIs with Tkinter. You'll learn how to make programs that use text boxes and buttons. You can find complete instructions in the Adventure 3 chapter. Let's get going.
With Tkinter, buttons can be created with just a few lines of code. In this program, the button will output beep to the Python shell when clicked. The button click function tells the button what to do when clicked. The last three lines of code create and display the button. The command argument in the button function links it to the button click function. Text boxes can be used in Python programs to enter text. This program uses a text box. When the button is clicked, it will duplicate whatever text has been entered. The tk.entry function creates a text box. In the change string function, the content of the text box is stored in the string to copy variable. This is done using the get function. The string in the text box is then inserted into the text box at the start by using the insert function. The change string function will run whenever the button is clicked. With the random module, programs can be made to do random things. This program will generate random sentences. Every time the button is clicked, a new random sentence is generated. The code uses two functions, random noun and random verb, to generate random words. Each function has a list of words that can be used. The words are selected using the random choice function. When the button is clicked, the words are randomly generated with these functions and are inserted into the text box. Random numbers can be used with GUIs to make guessing games. In this program, you guess a number. If the number matches the randomly generated number, you get a point. The program also records the number of rounds you've guessed. Entering a guess that isn't a number will cause an error message to be displayed. The max number variable stores the highest value that you can guess. The score variable stores the number of correct guesses you've had, and the rounds variable stores the number of times you've guessed. The if guess equals result if statement checks if your guess is the same as the random number. If it is, your score is increased by 1. The if 0 is less than guess and guess is less than max number if statement checks your guess is greater than 0 and less than the highest number. If it isn't, an error message is displayed that says entry not valid. The try except statement is used to stop you entering guesses that aren't numbers. If you enter words instead of the number, the entry not valid message will be displayed.